clause D, I'm sorry, keep saying clause, para D. What is a political party? In the broader context, what it means is a different thing. But the balance cannot be tipped.
Yes.
That is the heart, it seems to me.
Your lordship is
the heart of the matter.
Yes, your lordship is absolutely right. The reason
Keep in mind that negative aspect and positive aspect.
Yes.
So keeping
Not
with
just
this,
one command, the Constitution has given two distinct commands here. Do not give anything more, but do not deprive the other.
Yes.
That's the
इसी सवाल को बढ़ाते हुए तो क्या ये इससे हम ये अखज़ ना करें कि पीटीआई बदस्तूर बरकरार थी, पीटीआई ने बदस्तूर अपने कैंडिडेट खड़े किए थे, लिस्ट जो उनके मखसूस नशिस्तों की लिस्ट थी वो उन्होंने सबमिट की थी, ऐसे ही है
जी, but they were never accepted.
Just to फैसल साहब जी, to इसको rephrase करने के लिए, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf did it contest the elections as an enlisted political party?
Yes.
And if it did, then kya it was entitled as of right to get the proportional representation, because the bar set under Article 17 as a fundamental right is very, very high, and it has to be interpreted dynamically and progressively.
Yes. My lord, although I agree with your lordship's Justice Munib that it is to be looked at in the context of Article 51.
You don't have to agree with me.
No.
Give us your reasoning.
Yes, but I think the questions by Justice Mandukh Khail and Justice Minullah.
Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, I tried to come to your rescue, but it seems you don't want rescuing. Why don't you argue the matter in your own way? Then we'll ask the questions, because I don't know what you're going to say.
It's a bit impolite not to at least reply in a single
I want to hear what you're going to say.
Sir, ये भी part है.
फिर हम आपसे सवाल बेशक पूछेंगे. आप अभी सवालों में
अभी तो आपने रहम किया है, आपने सवाल नहीं पूछे.
मैं तो सुनना चाहता हूँ आपको. आपको सुनने फिर हम सवाल पूछेंगे. आप फिक्र ना करें, आ जाएंगे.
That's the pleasure and pain of sitting in full court.
Just a single sentence. The reason why both your lordship's questions are relevant is because this is precisely the point raised in the Peshawar High Court judgment, where they say that PTI should have filed their lists later on also, but I'll come to that point later. Let me complete the
लेकिन
facts.
इसमें एक चीज, I mean that's an added question जो बाद में answer कर दीजिएगा, and it's also for Election Commission to explain it.
जी.
What is the role of Election Commission? Can it assume the role as an adversarial to a political party, or it has to ensure that each political party gets its right so that no one is disfranchised, or whether it is necessary for someone to apply it, or as a duty, constitutional duty, the Election Commission is bound to fulfill its obligations?
So the answer of the Election Commission would be that it is constitutionally, there is a constitutional.
How can you answer for them?
Because you
answer for yourself.
Because that is what they've done they've allocated seats to people who've not applied. They've allocated seats to people.
वो आगे बहस कर लेंगे, उनके वकील हैं. आप अपना बता दें.
Sir, मैं timeline
The Election Commission is very fond of quoting, because I have sat on benches for some time now, and they're very fond of quoting Article 2183 at the court, and that fee, fair, whatever the thing is. But if the mandate of this particular clause that we are focused on is both negative and positive, prima facie, it seems to me, with all due respect, how can you fulfill that duty by violating both the negative and the positive? That seems to me to be as seriously at odds, and I'm just using mild words here, with their own self-professed duty, their power, their obligation under Article 2183 of the Constitution, which, as I say, they love to quote at the drop of a hat. But anyway, let's see.
I would go further and say that no provision dealing with election or
Mr.
democracy.
Fazal, I don't understand what you're saying. If you're going to respond to everything and not argue your case, please argue your case so I
मैं
can
जरा-
understand your propositions.
मैं जरा टाइमलाइन खत्म कर लूं मैं पहले टाइमलाइन
First, let me hear. I mean, that's the way a council argues.